tripod on a stable position. Adjust the tripod legs and ensure that the bubble level is perfectly centered. This step is critical for accurate RTK positioning. Install the RTK3 onto the base station mount and extend the pole to the recommended height. Now, prepare your drone. For this video, we will use the Matrix 4E. Next, power on the RC+2 to connect both the drone and the D-RTK3. Double press to power on D-RTK3. On RC+2, open Flight Settings and select the satellite icon for the precise positioning setting. Under Select RTK Service Type, choose D-RTK Base Station, then Restart. Now, the drone will restart to apply the settings. Once done, under Calibrate D-RTK Coordinates, enter the default password, 123456. For this video, we will show how to make a new coordinates. Select New, and you can manually input your coordinates if you have to. Here you can name your calibrated coordinate for easier navigation. Finally, the RTK is now connected and updated. Press the power button 3 times. Blinking blue states it's on pairing mode. On your RC+2 under Flight Settings, select the satellite icon to enter precise positioning setting. Under Select RTK Service Type, tap D-RTK3 Relay Station. Now the drone will restart to apply the settings. On the remote, tap on the RTK icon and select Press button to link to relay. Once the linking is successful, go to your flight setting and select the satellite icon. Then under the Calibrate Coordinates for D-RTK, enter the default password 123456. Select New, and you can manually input your coordinates, then confirm. Here you can name your calibrated coordinate for easier navigation. Finally, the aircraft RTK coordinates aerono calibrated and connected. After you successfully finished your flight mission, switch to rover mode by pressing the power button 3 times until it turns solid yellow. Now place the D-RTK3 on the control points to get the coordinates. Now log into your DJI Enterprise app. You can connect either through the controller or via your Android phone. The connection is established using Bluetooth, and once your device is detected, simply select Connect. For rover mode, to achieve centimeter level accuracy, you must either enter your NTRIP credentials or connect to a reference base station. This gives real-time corrections to make your positioning very precise. To add your control points, select Create Task. Confirm the RTK coordinate system. Name your task accordingly. Press Start and confirm the point settings to add the point. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. For sales inquiries, contact us at sales@aerosmart.ae. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.